Because Motomiya City is located near the center of Fukushima Prefecture, it is known as the Navel City of Fukushima. Owing to its ideal location, it was once an inn-town on the Oshu-Kaido Road. In recent years, with its population of approximately 31,000 people, the city attracts attention as a major transportation hub for traffic passing through. The commercial center of Koriyama City and the castle town of Nihonmatsu City are located nearby, and abundant nature can be enjoyed just a stone's throw away. The relatively mild climate and light snowfall in winter makes for a comfortable life. Motomiya City is the smallest among the 13 cities in Fukushima Prefecture. Toyo Keizai Inc. ranked Motomiya City as number 1 in Fukushima Prefecture for 9 consecutive years in the Most Livable City ranking, which is carried out annually for cities and wards throughout the country. A compact town, Motomiya is a city full of charm. Residents feel happy to already be living there, and other people often consider it as a place they'd like to live in. We will introduce the charms of the Motomiya City from the 3 perspectives of work, daily life, and raising children. Motomiya City is a key hub of transportation to and from the Tohoku and Bannetsu expressways. From Motomiya interchange by car, the distance is about 2 hours and 50 minutes to the Tokyo metropolitan area, about an hour to Sendai, about 90 minutes to Niigata, and about an hour to Iwaki. By the Shinkansen bullet train, it is about 90 minutes to Tokyo, about an hour to Sendai, and just 50 minutes by car to Fukushima Airport. The city is actively promoting the attraction of companies by utilizing its accessibility. Approximately 90 companies have entered the 12 industrial park locations in the city. As a proud leading business location in Fukushima Prefecture, Motomiya City is a vibrant city with an abundance of workplaces which include local industries. Motomiya is where various companies gather as a land-based port, which connects traffic between the Tohoku, Bannetsu and Kanto expressways. The shipment value of manufactured goods is approximately 250 billion yen. The city is also expected to lead industry in the prefecture. Motomiya City has flourished as a key transportation hub with streams of people and commodity products flowing through. Taking full advantage of this, Motomiya has great appeal as a compact city where life's necessities are readily available. Shopping is easy in Motomiya, with a lively local commerce area in the city center lined up along National Route 4, with large stores and supermarkets to support daily life. For people who wish to build a new home in Motomiya City, incentives and various subsidy programs are available to support home acquisition. For example, First-time buyers and those who choose to build a home in Motomiya City are provided with a maximum financial incentive of 300,000 yen. Subsidies are also provided for the installation costs of combined sewage treatment tanks and solar power generation systems. In recent years, there have been more people who want to move from urban to more rural areas, and those who wish to return to their hometowns, and find that it is still easy and convenient to live and commute to work and school. Motomiya City is a comfortable place for the elderly to live. For example, for the mobility impaired, we offer a local Junkai circuit bus service for the city area and a Motomiya Ikutan taxi service. The Junkai circuit bus travels around 4 routes in the city and is useful as a means of transportation for citizens. It's very affordable, as no matter how far the ride is, the cost is only 100 yen per adult per journey. Ikutan taxi is a limited area shared taxi that will transport people from their homes to often frequented places, such as hospitals, the city hall, financial institutions, and shopping centers. It is a convenient service for hospital visits and shopping, so it is popular among the elderly. Bathing facilities are located in 4 different areas of the city and are places for relaxation for the elderly and are always full of laughter. In the city, we aim to become a bright society known for its longevity, where life expectancy is extended by preventative care, such as the Healthy 100 Years Old exercise program, which aims to help the elderly live a vibrant and full life for as long as possible in places that they're familiar with. There are many children's playgrounds in the city, such as Mizuiro Park, where children can enjoy playing in water. The Smile Kids Park is open whatever the weather. And Epoca is a play area filled with all wooden playground equipment and picture books. Among them, worthy of special notice, is the Smile Kids Park, where trees were planted with the hope of children growing healthily and to commemorate when Prince William of Great Britain came to Japan. Since then, it has popularly been nicknamed Prince William's Park and has received British approval. It is crowded with many parents and children on weekdays as well as on holidays. The ties with the UK that were made during Prince William's visit are now developing into new opportunities. As one of the commemorative projects of the 10th anniversary of Motomiya City, it was announced in September 2016 that an English garden will be constructed in Prince William's Park. The garden is undergoing construction and is scheduled to open in the autumn of 2017. The smiles of Motomiya's children are the city's treasures. In addition to previously mentioned facilities, the city conducts various programs to support raising children. Examples include free medical care costs for children aged 18 or younger, subsidies for nursery and daycare fees, as well as widespread daycare centers and after-school activities for children to support working parents. Plans are underway to renovate childcare facilities to enhance the childcare environment. After-school activities for children are established for each primary school district, making it a place where children can enjoy school life with peace of mind. Nurseries, daycare centers, primary and secondary schools are all equipped with air conditioning. All sports facilities contain indoor and outdoor swimming pools. In October 2016, the Mayumi Arena, an indoor exercise facility available for practicing baseball and futsal at any time and in any weather, was completed, and the city plans to improve the physical strength of children through these substantial facilities. The city is focusing on creating an environment where everyone can raise children with healthy minds and bodies. So far, we have introduced Motomiya from the three perspectives of work, daily life, and raising children. But Motomiya has even more to offer. When raising one's gaze, Mount Adatara can always be seen. The Abukumagawa River slowly flows as long as the eyes can see. Spring comes along with the bloom of cherry blossoms. And after summer passes, the autumn harvest season arrives. And then the wait for spring begins again. The abundance of nature around the city is unchanged since the distant past. When leaving the city area, the pleasant winds blow through the rice fields, and the peaceful rural scenery of Motomiya City spreads into the distance. This is also an agricultural area. Emphasis is placed on the training and support of certified farmers who aim to farm in coexistence with nature. Further focus is on the promotion of specialty products, such as the Motomiya City-produced Koshi Hikari rice, that boasts a special A ranking in quality, as well as Motomiya Ukokke chicken and grated yam called Tororo Imo. Dance-filled festivals and traditional arts are the heart of Motomiya. With a fondness for their hometown, activities are cultivated and are proudly passed on to the next generation. In our city, we aim to create a community that has strong local ties and bonds between its people, and strive for a pleasant town to live in, where we can help each other in the event of an emergency. What do you think of Motomiya City? Motomiya is a compact city where convenience and beautiful nature coexist. We hope you can picture yourself owning a home, raising a family, and living a fulfilled life in our city.